Alright, Jason, this is your cha-cha. It's about 8 phrases, roughly 66 measures. I'm going to break it up into chunks, maybe doing 2 phrases each, so every 16 measures I'm going to stop and then go a new clip so that you can get it that way, and it's also smaller, so when I email this to you it's a little easier. So the first 8 measures, we're actually doing the exact same thing side by side to each other in an apart position. So we're starting side with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 2, 3, 4, and 4, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 2, 3, 4, and 6, 2, 3, 4, and 7, 2, 3, 4, and 8. Come this way. 4 and 8. You're going to take a step forward. You're both going to turn. The lady's going to actually step forward. We're both going to do the lady's part. She's going to step forward 2, 3, and 4. Hold 1. Her right hand's going to go on your shoulder. You're going to do a single turn on your right foot for 2, 3, right foot, land for 1. So together, that's going to look like this. So this was 4, and that was your 8. This is 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. So she's doing a big hip roll, hand on the shoulder. She's doing a big hip roll as you're doing a head roll under and to this position. You're going to rock step back for 2, 3. She's going to step forward into a basic right underarm turn for 2, 3, 4, and 1. So let's that part again. Sorry. We're going 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1. You're going to do a basic right turn as she rocks steps back. 2, 3, 4, and right to right hand hold. She's going to close her feet for 2 as you lunge into her. 3,